The Telangana stir has intensified. These are visuals that are coming in from Hyderabad, from Necklace Road. Remember, the rally started off on a peaceful note. However, what we understand at this point in time is that 3 police vehicles out of 5 on that road have been set on fire by the protesters. BSF has been called in now to control the situation. Earlier on, the police had to resort to lathi charge as agitators tried to get inside the state secretariat. Those are visuals from Hyderabad, specifically from Necklace Road, where the rally, the pro-Telangana rally, was taking place. This was a 5-kilometer stretch on which the demonstrators were allowed to move on and also to gather. It started off a while ago. Things were pretty much under control, but now we understand is that the stir has intensified. There were at least 3 police vehicles that have been set on fire by these agitators. The police had to resort to lathi charge as these demonstrators tried to get inside the state secretariat. In fact, TRS activists and pro-Telangana groups who were trying to cross the secretariat were prevented from doing so by the police, and that was what led to the scuffle. Stones were pelted and the police had to then resort to minor lathi charge to push the crowds back. Earlier in the day as well, at the Osmania University, remember, there were some protests and violence as some of the students wanted to go out on a bike rally, and now we are seeing clashes between police and protesters at the Necklace Road. Mridula Chanduri, our correspondent, now joins us with more details. Mridula, what triggered this scuffle between the police and the demonstrators?
Well, the police had barricaded a lot of roads coming into Necklace Road. Despite giving permission at Necklace Road, the Telangana agitators felt that they were cheated out of protesting properly, because though they were given permission to protest at Necklace Road, they were not allowed to use the full length of the Necklace Road, and they were being restricted to a certain section only. And that is something that the Telangana agitators were not really happy with. They tried to, and there were barricades throughout the region, throughout the routes entering Necklace Road, which were causing hindrance to the people who were trying to come to this march as well. And that is what really triggered their passions. In fact, they were very irked that the police were stopping at them at every juncture, that there were hurdles for them to reach the Necklace Road, and that is why they kind of retaliated heavily on the police. They burned down some Rakshak police vehicles also. They damaged certain vehicles of the police as they were parked for security reasons, security purpose on the Necklace Road, and they just simply barged through the barricades in their effort to come to the place where the meeting was actually taking place. And that is what we see, how they even torched some vehicles, including some media vehicles, there at Necklace Road.